Japra Langso Sports Association atum pen patri piponsi ingdeng sirkep inter club league football tournament angdum kiti kepaman pon. Sonsi Pator Sarpo football club la pen Chingthur football club atum si pathu ponlo. Chingthur FC atum kit hek mu chora jog 3-0 goal pen chepahai ponlo. Adonthu Borasli Teron pen mai chari ponsi Mongol Singing ti pen aluhi pachinya por en ponlo. Aluhi Sarpo Abarim EM Jagat Singh Engti Manpeng Aluhi Simeon Rongphar VDC Chairman Parsuram Singnar Donor Riso Senar Abarim VDC Chairman Verang Terang Secretary Balipathar Sports Association Rajan Rong PN KESA Athletics Secretary Amit Puranterang Secretary Hanjang Langso Sports Association Dilip Engti Radasai Klembang SGB's GB Sanparta Manpeng Kedoke Tekiting Atum Chetongdun. Bangso winner prize trophy mate ke hayanong e Parsuram Singnar Pensi Pajirpon. Lapen runners up a trophy Simeon Rongphar Sarupathar VDC Chairman Arideng Pensi Pajirpon. Prepli Aterang Atum Bangso Inter Club League Tournament along Chepati Dunriti. Balipathar pen present terang Karbing Long Life.